Welcome to Crystal's Bread. Today I'm going to show how to score bread. Make a cut on the top. When you put a sourdough bread in the oven, it will crack. It will crack somewhere or another. So you control the crack in a nice way. We score the bread on the top. So I'm going to show what kind of tools you can use and how to cut the bread. I'm going to show you a couple different ways. I have dough here to show the cutting on the top. So there, you can use a serrated knife. This is my bread knife. All kinds of serrated knife you can use. And I have scoring knife that has a handle and a blade, two-sided blade. If you don't have a handle like this, you can just use a blade. You can put a chopstick or put some stick that can go through this, so you can create your own bread cutting knife. It's nice to cut it like 45-degree angles. When it crack open, it looks nicer. And there's some signature cuts. You can create your own signature cuts. That's how you cut it with the knife. And then I can show you with the bread knife. It also turns out nice. And if you use blade, one sweep move, that's how you cut it. And also you can use your own created knife. So that's nice controlled way, and it's gonna look beautiful. And once it rises in the oven, it's gonna look beautiful, these cracks. So that's a different way you cut. Also show you another way you can cut it is like that. It's usually book says 1/4 inch deep. If you're wondering how deep you're supposed to cut it, you can cut it in any way you want it and then see how it's gonna come out. And you will figure out the next time what's the best way to cut it. Thank you for watching.